Are you looking for the best paint sprayer in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best paint sprayer that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Wagner Spraytech 518080 Control Spray Max HVLP paint or stain sprayer. We kick off this list with a popular brand in the high-volume, low-pressure market. Wagner spray guns are the gold standard in many people's minds, and you can see why with this product. Just as the name implies, the Control Spray Max paint sprayer is designed to give you maximum control over the finish using fully customizable settings. First, it uses a 2-stage turbine to filter the paint so that you can get the right paint flow onto your furniture. This means you can also use this spray gun for a wide range of finishes such as stain, primer, lacquer, and polyurethane. Basically, everything you need to complete your furniture restoration project, all from one affordable sprayer. Next, you have complete control over how the paint comes out. There is a pressure control dial and material flow control, which allow you to select how fast and how much paint comes out. You can also choose how the spray patterns with 3 options: horizontal, vertical, and round. The stationary base means you don't have to carry it on your shoulders. It has a 20-feet hose, which is longer than you should need to spray any size furniture of any size. Our main gripe with this paint sprayer is that it only has a 1-year warranty. Up next in the 4th place is the HomeRight C971800, a Super Finish Max HVLP paint sprayer. HomeRight may not be as popular as Wagner, but this Super Finish Max HVLP paint sprayer is what many DIYers consider the most versatile paint sprayer on the market. The first thing we love about this for DIY is that it is an electric spray gun, so you don't need a base or air compressor. Despite being electric, we've found the spraying power to be more than adequate to foray into painting furniture, walls, and decks. The superior finish you get from this spray gun is due to the quality of the materials and the adjustable setting. This sprayer comes with 2 air caps that deliver different spraying widths. The black cap comes standard and is what you'll need for painting furniture. There are also 6 brass spray tips, although only 3 come with this kit. The green one also comes as standard, and again, it is what you need for most furniture jobs. Brass tips guarantee a better spray finish and a longer lasting than plastic. Another thing that stands out with this spray gun is the large capacity container, which can hold 39 ounces of fluid. On top of that, you can use this spray gun with different types of paints and coatings without using paint thinner. There are many other things we can talk about, but the last thing we'll highlight is that this is very easy to clean. You can quickly detach the bits and get them ready for your next project in no time. However, you need to wash it pretty soon after use because the dried paint can be difficult to clean. The 3rd product on our list is the Fuji Spray PaintWIZ PW25150 Handheld Disinfectant Paint Sprayer Pro. If you see yourself doing lots of around-the-house painting projects in the future, then this 400-watt HVLP sprayer is exactly what you need. Its portable handheld design 3 spray patterns make this unit both user-friendly and versatile for use on a range of projects. This sprayer boasts a high level of precision and less overspray than similar models, meaning less cleanup time and no worries concerning the quality of the finish. The unit also comes with additional items, including a 2nd nozzle, paint strainers, and a brush for cleaning after use. Best of all, there's a 1-year manufacturer's warranty in place to give you that extra peace of mind. Second on our list is the Neiko 31215A HVLP Spray Gun Paint Sprayer. Neiko Tools, from the house of Neiko, brings yet another outstanding HVLP spray system that will surely delight you. Thanks to its stainless steel body, the Neiko 31215A is a high-quality air spray designed for longevity and is ideal for giving your surfaces a professional look. The Neiko 31215A comes loaded with outstanding features, but its main USP is that it's made up of stainless steel, which makes it resistant to rust. Moreover, this gravity-fed air spray paint gun is highly versatile. It's ideal for household painting projects, metallic base coats, automotive painting jobs, walls, and primer applications. Furthermore, this paint sprayer is relatively easy to use thanks to the tethering trigger. Its gravity feed fluid design system, along with the 3 adjustable valve knobs, is quite impressive. This ensures accurate paint application without much effort. Moreover, it has a 1.7mm stainless steel nozzle. This will help you to work with an ample variety of paints. Equipped with HVLP technology, it lets you paint all your surfaces in a breeze, ensuring minimal wastage. If you've got a DIY project at hand, then this will indeed prove to be an excellent choice. Lastly, the Neiko 31215A comes with handy features at a reasonable price, ensuring that you receive excellent value for money. Finally, the top product on our list is the Scuddles HVLP paint sprayer gun. If you're just a beginner in the arena of spray paints, then the Scuddles paint sprayer is ideal for you. Because of its powerful motor, you can complete your projects quickly. Get ready to toss those paint brushes and rollers with this amazing paint sprayer by Scuddles. We love the fact that it is the best option for beginners as it is affordable, easy to use, and includes everything that you will need. Its nozzles are of 2.6mm, 2.2mm, and 1.8mm. The 2.2mm and 1.8mm nozzles are excellent for thin paints, whereas the 2.6mm nozzles are ideal for thicker paints. Be it sealers, varnishes, latex, or any other paint, you can count on this product for catering to all your painting needs. Furthermore, the 3-spray rotation feature makes this lacquer spray gun more amazing. Vertical, horizontal, or circular, you can use this paint sprayer any way you want. What's more interesting is that the flow control knob helps you to adjust the paint output so that you get the correct amount of paint on any surface. This paint sprayer is unsurprisingly an outstanding product available on the market. However, because it comes with different nozzles and adjustment controls, we found it extremely confusing to use it correctly. So, we strongly recommend you read the instructions carefully before using the paint sprayer. Also, because its fan width is smaller, a large project will take some time. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.